Hello and welcome, my friend. I hope you're doing great, and today we are unboxing a selfie mirror from Velo. Now it is a unique device was specially made for cameras that don't have a flip-out LCD screen. This device is the most affordable solution for those who require film and see themselves in front of the camera. Now you can obviously MacGyver something close to this device, still it will take time. And if you need have a quick fix and the screen on the back of your camera tilts up and down and you have a cold shoe or hot shoe, you're in a good standing with utilizing your camera and seeing yourself. So inside of the box we have this device, the carrying soft case, and of course silica packet that collects all the moisture out of the packaging if it's there. You have this hood with 3 cold shoes for attaching accessories like lights, microphones, etc. Have this mirror where you can see the screen that you have tilted up. It has a protective film that you have to peel off to make sure the mirror is very clear to see. And the whole device will be attached using cold shoe mount with 2 tightening knobs, where one is for tightening the cold shoe to your camera and the other one closer to the device to unlock capability of sliding the shoe left or right to make sure that if your screen positioned differently accordingly to the cold shoe or hot shoe of the camera, you'll be able to adjust the selfie mirror to properly see yourself. And here we have my trusted Sony a6500, my first camera, where I raise the screen up. It allows the image to bounce off the mirror, and you see it's not bad at all. So not only you are able to see what you're filming, but it also allows you to attach different things like lights, microphones, friction arms, and such, which is very handy. In a nutshell, it is a great, inexpensive solution for not only Sony camera users, but also other brands that have a capability of tilting the screen up or down. Believe it or not, even for the cameras just like Sony a7R5, where the screen can tilt up, down, outwards. There might be a point where I do not wish to have a selfie screen to be on the side due to the possibility cables running through the camera, so this might be a great option for a mount on top of my hot shoe of this camera and have that screen tilting up. Also, I can mount something on the top of that selfie mirror. This is a great device. Thumbs up to this company, and if you don't want to spend money, you can create something similar with just an old mirror and mount it on top of your camera using the friction arms or so. You can always do that, but again, it takes time. More inexpensive and awesome device just like this can solve that issue, and you'll be recording and seeing yourself in no time. Again, if you like this device, I have a link to this particular model in the description below. Please, if you have questions, ask them in the comments below, and if you like the video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with whoever might be interested in this kind of device. Thank you for watching, my friend, and I will see you next video. See ya.